northeastern Ontario County, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairport, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Webster, Fairport, Ontario, Penfield, Newark, Williamson, Marion, Lyons, Palmyra, and Clyde. This includes Interstate 90 near Exit 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.